lesson 5. Okay, we are going to talk about addition and subtraction word problems. Now, I don't know about you, but when I was younger, I was like, I like math, I just don't like the word problems. Here's why. Because I like math in my special math place. Math that, you know, is very safe and you don't really have to apply to life. Well, there is math that you're going to use everywhere in life, but when it comes to word problems, then, and it is just, I don't like using my math in the real world. Is that weird?
No.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. He says it's not weird. So, but when it comes to word problems, they were just a little bit confusing. So here's the deal. You guys all know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide, right? The trick is when. Do you know when you're supposed to add, subtract, multiply, and divide? Okay. So when I say there are 17 classrooms and there's 10 in each classroom, what kind of math problem is that? To figure out how many total students there are. Yeah, you multiply, okay? So most of you are getting to the point where, yeah, I'm just gonna use my logic to figure out if I need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Well, there are some key words that we're gonna see in addition and subtraction problems. So there's like there's words that will be like key words, okay? So if you have like sum and some more, what kind of math problem is that?
Logic math.
If you had some
Addition.
apples and then you got 7 more apples, then that's usually addition, right? If Austin got 7 more right on his test than Xavier, then what kind of math problem is that? If I knew Austin's test score, I could just subtract 7 from Austin. Or it depends, if I was given Xavier's test score, then what kind of a problem would that be? Addition, because if I, like, say Xavier got a 93 and Austin got 7 more than Xavier, then now it's an addition problem. So just because these words are in there doesn't mean it's addition, doesn't mean it's subtraction, okay? But usually the sum or the minuend is usually the largest number. Okay? So for example, if there were, like together your ages are 100. So what kind of math would that be?
Addition.
Addition, right. Or in this case, you could kind of divide or whatever, but
Or multiply.
yeah, if you were all the same age, then you could just multiply your age times how many people you were.
We should know everyone's age, and whoever gets the total the total sum of everyone's age gets a free problem set. That's a good idea.
13 for me.
Okay, so here's some keywords for subtraction. So you still might have some, and then instead of some more, you could say like some went away, or whatever the equivalent of going away is, or subtracting. I had 7 crackers and I ate 3 of them. How many crackers do I have left? And then there's another one, have left, question mark. How many do we have left? Or how many remain type of thing. That's a good indication that it's going to be a subtraction problem. Or like have left, or how much more, how much older am I than you?
You're 100 years old. But
Whoa.
Oh, that's a little far.
And you
buddy.
are.
Top 10 jokes went too far.
All right, so I'm 102. Okay, that makes sense.
Now that's a lot of it.